Hello there, you're watching Boom Reports. Today we are looking at a set of images where a police officer can be seen breaking an old man's typewriter. These images were recently tweeted by Bollywood lyricist Javed Akhtar with a caption that states, "This old man used to type the job applications of unemployed people. His typewriter is now beyond repair." So, did a police officer really break an old man's typewriter? The answer is yes, but we must add that this happened 4 years ago and has been revived as a recent incident. A 2015 article by NDTV carried these exact images and spoke of an incident in Uttar Pradesh where a sub-inspector named Pradeep Kumar had broken the typewriter of an elderly man named Krishna Kumar at Lucknow's Hazratganj, allegedly to remove encroachment from the area. After photographs of the incident went viral on social media, the sub-inspector was suspended. So, while the story is true, it is misleading as this 4-year-old event has been revived as recent. If you spot more such misleading posts, do send it over to us on our WhatsApp helpline. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.